Okay, here we are. So, started out with 1, 2, 3, 4 lights, all on one switch. Now we have this is switch 1. Switch 2 is that one, and that one. Sink is going to be right here. Switch 3 is this one, this, which was already here but it was not hooked up. It's got fresh bulbs. And this one, switch 2. So, I'm going to fire it up for the first time and see if it works. And it is a weird feeling because I am working neurons that I haven't worked in a while. Alright. So let's try switch 2. Hello, that's bright. Alright, let's try switch 3. Well, what do you know? Howdy doody. This thing is lit up like a Christmas tree. Uh-oh. That one's turned off. Let's turn off both of these. So, that last pack of bowls must have been the natural light ones. They're kind of yellow. It's okay though. They're LEDs, so they're not going to draw a lot of power, which is important because we're mixing 14 and 12 gauge wire. And there's my plumbing madness. Washer and dryer working, all lit up. So let's try the final switch. Oh yeah. What do you think about that? Nice. The problem was that I wanted to keep the security light on, and in order to do that I had to keep every light in the basement on. But it is much better now. Much better. And it was inexpensive too, because these things cost less than $2. So, yeah. So we got 3 switches and 6 lights, all wired and good to go, and nothing burned down.